Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm going to take you around my house and show you how I prepared for having a newborn. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tabitha. I post lots of homemaking videos, cooking, cleaning, and currently I'm sharing all about baby number 5. So today's video, I'm going to take you around my house and give you a mini house tour of all the different areas I set up to prepare for having a newborn around. Currently, we are standing in my master bedroom, and this is where I have the majority of my things for my baby. I did do a nursery nook tour, just showing you around my master bedroom, but I'll do a quick one here too in case this is your first video and you didn't see the last one. So right here, we're looking at my bed. Obviously, on my bed, I have a tray, and this is just to keep either my computer and my planner, which is on there now, or if I want to eat food in bed, or just have a hard surface to set stuff in, because over there, my nightstand is pretty cramped. So over there, I have a wipe warmer, my huge water bottle, my baby monitor camera, and my diaper caddy. So I explained every single thing that was in that diaper caddy in my nursery nook tour. So if you want to see all the stuff that's in there, go watch that video. I'll have it pop up right now. And then this is my Halo bassinet. This is the glide bassinet that just slides right under the bed. And in the bassinet, I have my baby lounger and some blankets for the little one, and that is everything that I have set up right on my side of the bed. Over this way is where I have all of the baby's clothes, my breastfeeding basket, which I have a video about that, and like different diapering stuff in there as well. Again, the nursery nook tour explains all of this stuff in detail. I have my birth ball here, and then if you swing over this way, this is my master bathroom. In here, I have some of the supplements right on the counter that I've been taking to prepare for birth. I have a video about that. This is gonna be like shout out to all my videos. I'll have them all linked below. But these are some of the supplements I take to prepare for natural birth. In this little caddy here, I have all of my postpartum essentials, my different pads, and different supplements that I take for postpartum and use just during the healing process of everything. And this is really convenient because I can move it around with the straps. And yeah, and then in this tote here is all of my home birth supplies. So there's a bunch of stuff in there. Did a video about both the home birth supplies and the postpartum supplies. Now I will take you out to my kitchen and living room area. Here in my living room, we have our baby swing. This is a baby swing and a bouncy, so I can remove the swing and just use it as a little bouncy seat if I want. I will have this particular model linked below if you're interested. And then right over here, we have our pack and play. Inside the pack and play, I have our newborn boppy lounger, a receiving blanket, and something that I thought was a must-have for a pack and play is actually a memory foam pack and play mattress. So you can see the difference. This pack and play mattress that comes with it is very thin and kind of hard. So I wanted to get something a little bit more soft for if baby is taking a nap in there. And since I don't have a high chair yet, I felt like just having this by the table, that's where I sit to eat dinner. Here's where my husband sits. So we'll be able to put him there while we eat dinner, and eventually he can play in there and all that fun stuff. So that's where we have the pack and play. Over here in my kitchen, I have a little area set up for him right over here in this cupboard. So in this cupboard, this is like where I keep all my tea. One of the teas that I've been drinking this pregnancy is red raspberry leaf tea. But this shelf right here in particular is for the baby. So we have these even flow glass bottles. I like to go with glass because they're just really easy to wash and they're just a lot better than plastic in my opinion. So I actually have 5 of those 4-ounce bottles. And then I have a little basket here of different medicines for him. So first of all, I have different nipple sizes here for those bottles. I have the 3-month plus and the 8-month plus. I didn't get any of the smallest size because I am gonna be breastfeeding most of the time anyways. So the bottles are just for if I'm gone or if my husband or kids want to feed him. So we probably won't be feeding any bottles until around 3 months. Then I also have gripe water in here. So this is to help with gas or tummy upset, hiccups, colic. So I have that. And then I also have these Highlands homeopathic calming tablets. So these help when the baby's fussy, but not necessarily colicky or gassy. They're just kind of like with irritability and fussiness. Then I also have some saline spray in case there's any like mucus or something going on in his little nose that needs help. So this is just like a little spray. And then I have a earbulb syringe in my bathroom too, so that we could use those 2 things together if we need to. So that is everything I have set up in my kitchen for him. Also in my kitchen, I have my freezer completely stocked full of breakfast freezer meals and lunch freezer meals. And then downstairs we have a deep freezer and we have that totally full of freezer meals as well. So this was a huge thing that I wanted to prepare my house for postpartum, was just having a ton of meals ready to go. I have a bunch of videos, 3 separate videos about all the freezer meals I made for postpartum. And that's probably what I'm most excited about having done before the new baby comes. Now lastly, I'm going to take you into the kids' bathroom to show you what I have set up in there. This is my kids' bathroom right here. So I have 5 kids sharing 1 bathroom. So my girls' towels hang right here. I got 2 girls, and then this little baby right here is going to be a boy. So I ended up hanging up a 3rd towel for the new baby. So I got that set up, and then in this drawer here I have some goodies. So this is kind of like a diaper drawer. I have size 1 diapers here, a bunch of wipes in here. I have a little wipes container for the diaper bag. I have soap. So this is just the Everyone Kids soap. I've got a couple washcloths in here and some nail clippers. And then this is one of my favorite oils to use on newborns. This is the apricot seed oil, just the Now brand. This is great for newborn skin. And then the only other thing I have in here is my bath seat that I'm gonna use, as well as the Burt's Bees shampoo and body wash. I guess I do have a bunch more diapers up here for whenever we need them. I got a little stockpile going on. So that is everything that I have set up in my house to welcome our new baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I definitely don't have a huge house, so if you have a big house or maybe you have a second story, I would recommend having a diaper station upstairs as well as downstairs, maybe nursing supplies upstairs and downstairs. One thing I like about my diaper caddy is that it has handles, so if I want to go out to the living room and chill for a little bit, I can just bring my diaper caddy from my bedroom into the living room, and it just makes it easy. And just being on 1 story, this is all I had. This is very minimal, very intentional, just the essentials of what I need to care for my new little guy. So thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are new. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!